Here, I'll explain 5 ways how to make money online in a legitimate and user-friendly manner. A few of them will demand that you possess specific abilities. At the end of the video, there is a bonus way to make money. But before starting, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future. Number 1. Start a streaming empire. It's hard to remember the internet before live streaming gained such popularity. It used to be limited to players communicating with their audience while playing in real time. Although gaming is still at the heart of live streaming, anyone can become a streamer and earn money online. All different types of creators are streaming their lives online, from cosplayers creating their costumes on camera to groups of friends playing Dungeons & Dragons in real time to regular people simply talking about their lives. Streamers make money from subscriptions, donations, affiliate marketing, advertisements, and sponsorships from outside sources. Twitch is the most well-known streaming platform, but Facebook and YouTube also provide nifty streaming features. Similar to Periscope, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, social media apps like these also let you stream from your phone. Number 2. Sell your creations. There are many ways to make money from your hobby if you are creative or crafty. The most well-known website for selling handmade goods is Etsy. Examples include leather handbags, wall prints, personalized phone cases, sewing patterns, and the list goes on. Any quirky, oddball creation you make will probably fit in there. Print-on-demand websites like CavePress, BigCartel, Redbubble, and Society6 can make things simpler for you if you're an artist looking to sell prints of your work by printing and shipping goods as orders come in. E-commerce sites like eBay, Shopify, BigCommerce, Squarespace, and Wix can help you set up your online store, complete with payment processing if you prefer to avoid paying transaction fees to marketplaces and handle every aspect of the business yourself. If you're considering dropshipping, Amazon is a fantastic option. Number 3. Pick up freelance work online. Utilize websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com to earn money online. These websites provide opportunities to work as a virtual assistant in addition to other freelance jobs like writing, programming, design, marketing, and data entry. Having a second language down pat? Check websites like Django or BlendExpress or generate traffic to your website. Keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide no matter what kind of freelancing you do so you can determine whether you're charging too much or too little. Number 4. Create a blog. Just ask the founder of Money Under 30 and you can make an entire paycheck if you can develop a niche audience for your blog. However, simply starting a blog and waiting for the money to come in is not enough. Unfortunately, things simply don't operate that way. You must use affiliate marketing if you want to start making money from blogging. With affiliate marketing, an advertiser will pay an affiliate publisher, your blog, when you refer a paying customer rather than per 1,000 page views or clicks. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. You can profit from YouTube if others can. Jimmy Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, a YouTuber who uploads bizarre stunts to his channel and has earned $54 million, is the highest paid user. Jake Paul is another high earner who has amassed $45 million on YouTube by disseminating entertaining prank videos and boxing content. To develop a robust, devoted audience on YouTube, your channel should concentrate on a single niche. You could, for instance, make prank videos, review products, teach skills, stream video games, or create makeup tutorials. Making content that people want to watch is the key to succeeding in the YouTube money game. To get people to watch your videos, come up with clever headlines. Here is the bonus way, but first, please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Print on demand. Print on demand eliminates the need for holding inventory by enabling sellers to customize white label products with their designs and sell them only after a customer buys, which is what makes it a subset of dropshipping. A print-on-demand business will incorporate your design into the product when a customer places an order, complete the order, and send the product to the customer. The biggest benefit of print-on-demand over dropshipping is that you have complete control over the aesthetic of your products, which makes it stand out in product categories like t-shirts or fan gear, where the design is the key differentiator. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Share your opinions with us from where you are going to start. For more videos about how to make money online, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updates. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.